The Lonely Monkey. Miko is a monkey. Miko lives in a big jungle. He lives alone in a tall tree. He wakes up every morning. He looks for food in the trees. He eats bananas. He drinks water from a river. Miko sees other animals. He sees bears, rabbits, and elephants. But Miko has no friends. He feels sad and lonely. He sits on a branch and cries. One day he sees a new monkey. The new monkey is small and brown. Miko says, "Hello, do you want to play?" The new monkey says, "Yes, I do." They play together every day. No, Miko is not lonely anymore. Now some questions about this story. What is the monkey's name? The monkey's name is Miko. Where does Miko live? Miko lives in a big jungle. Does Miko live alone or with friends? Miko lives alone. Where does Miko live in the jungle? Miko lives in a tall tree. What does Miko eat? Miko eats bananas. Where does Miko drink water from? Miko drinks water from a river. Does Miko have friends? No, Miko has no friends. How does Miko feel? Miko feels sad and lonely. What does Miko see one day? Miko sees a new monkey. Does the new monkey want to play with Miko? Yes, the new monkey wants to play with Miko.